Is your Dodge Charger key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a glitch in the system. First, replace the battery with a fresh CR2032 coin cell. That solves about 70% of issues. Pry open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver, positive side of the new battery facing up. Test by unlocking the vehicle from 20 to 30 feet away. If that doesn't work, the next step is an RF hub reset. Disconnect your charger's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. For push-button start models, press the brake while turning the key to accessory mode to soft reset. These simple steps can often get you back on the road quickly. If battery replacement and RF hub reset don't solve the issue, your key fob may need to be relearned. For 2015-2020 chargers, insert the key, turn it to run but don't start the engine, and press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 4 seconds. Then, manually cycle the door locks. Newer models from 2021 onward often require using the Uconnect touchscreen or Stellantis app for a guided relearn process. If these steps fail, especially with newer models integrating advanced keyless systems or after a Uconnect update, it's time to consult a dealership. High-mileage vehicles might have a failing RF hub module. Remember to check for any applicable recalls from Stellantis, as software bugs are increasingly common.